There's a blue jay eating peanuts. Oh, there we go. We'll stay here. Watch. That's my breath going about. It's like, what's the temperature right now in Yosemite? Where'd it go? Alright, whatever. What is it, day 2 in Yosemite? Or 3? Because we came at night.
Day 2.
Okay, day 2. What the...
Here it comes. I think a couple of them, they got the word.
Yeah, he's like, oh, peanuts. I gotta go get my friends. Oh, I think it's the same too. Okay.
Oh, you dropped it, you idiot.
He's gonna go all the way down.
Did you see the dive down for that?
He's gonna go all the way down. Get it?
Oh, there's another one.
Oh, there's 3.
Yeah.
I just heard a woodpecker somewhere.
You're not getting any. Oh, 3 for me. I better fly away from it.
Yesterday we saw a squirrel.
I miss you when you're gone, Debbie. I have to leave.